But the great tree did no such thing. Okay, so what did the tree did? No such thing. It did not heed to their request, to the request of the leaves. He smiled to hear their whispering. So when they were whispering that if we request and if we worry about it, the tree will forget. So the tree was listening to all their whisperings and he was smiling. Okay, now what the tree is saying? Come children, all to bed. He cried. Cried means not rona. Okay, he cried means he told them that come children, now it is time to go to bed. And means before. And before the leaves could urge means could request or could ask for their prayer. Prayer means their request. Okay, here prayer does not mean the prayer that you read in the school or something. Here the prayer is the request. Okay, so before the leaves could request for their or ask for their request, what did the tree do? He shook his head and far and wide. So he started shaking his head. Okay, he started nodding and shaking his head. Who started? The tree started shaking his head far and wide, fluttering and rustling everywhere. Okay, fluttering means moving, फड़फड़ाना here and there, and rustling is the noise of the dry leaves. Okay, so now when the tree started moving here and there and shaking its head here and there, the dry leaves which were there on the tree started falling down. Down sped the leaflets through the air. Okay, down sped means fell down. Okay, the leaflets fell down because of the nodding of the head, shaking of the head of the tree and of the breeze and the air. I saw them. On the ground they lay. Okay, now the tree saw them, saw the leaves, and they were lying on the ground. Golden and red, a huddled swarm. So what was the color of the leaves which were lying down on the ground? It was golden and red, a huddled swarm. Huddled means all together and swarm means a large number. So a pile of leaves was laying below the tree after they fell down on the ground. Waiting till one from far away. Now they were waiting for one person to come from far away. White bed clothes heaped upon her arm. So they were waiting for someone to carry a white cloth, a bedsheet type cloth heaped upon her arm. Put upon her arm, that is carrying a white bedsheet type of cloth in her or his arm, and the person would come and she would wrap the leaves safe and warm. Okay, so till some person comes from far away and carries a white bedsheet cloth in her arms, and she or he would come and pick the leaves up, wrap them in the white cloth, and take them away from here safely and making them feel warm. Warm means garam. Okay, the great bare tree looked down and smiled. Bare means naked. Okay, now the tree did not have any leaves. Okay, so now the great bare tree was looking down and to the leaves and smiling. Good night, dear little leaves, he said. Now the leaves have fallen down. The tree is telling them good night, dear little leaves. Okay, so now the tree was asking them to go to sleep. This was the real meaning of asking them to go to sleep, that he wanted to shake himself and the leaves would fall down. Okay, and from below each sleepy child replied. So here the sleepy child are the leaves. Okay, not a child, not actually a child. The sleepy child here refers to the leaves. So from below the tree, the leaves are looking at the tree and they replied. Replied means answered. Good night. Okay, the trees told them good night. So now the leaves are also telling the tree good night. And murmured. Murmured means spoke softly. Okay. And what did the leaves say? It is so nice to go to bed. Earlier they didn't want to go to bed, and now when they have already fallen down to the ground, what they are saying? It is so nice to go to bed. Okay, I hope you all have understood this poem. Now let us solve the textbook exercise. Choose the correct option. The leaves did not want to go to sleep as it was a pleasant day. Okay, so the leaves was telling the tree that it is a very pleasant day, it is a happy day, and let us stay for one more day. So they didn't want to go to sleep because it was a pleasant day. Turn your page. Second one, the leaves wanted to stay until spring. Okay, so they were planning that if we start requesting the tree, we hope that the tree would let us stay until the spring season. Third one, when all the leaves came down, the tree was bare. Okay, it was not full. When the leaves, all the leaves have come down, the tree cannot be full, the tree cannot be heavy. It is bare. Bare means naked, have nothing on itself. Alright.